Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all how I did this pre-poo on my hair. I am going to be using the OLAPLEX products today for this pre-poo, and I've actually used this one time before and I actually like the results, so I'm going to show you all today. As you all can see, my hair is really tangly, really dry. Honestly, it's probably been about a couple of weeks since I washed my hair, so it needs a little bit of TLC, okay? I am hitting my hair up with 4 sections because it needs it, okay? I probably should have broke it down into more sections, but I will do that as you all will see in the video. This is the intensive bond building hair treatment. With this product, it is basically like a spray and it feels like water, okay? As you all can see, it's like kind of running, so you can see the consistency of it. With this product, you don't want to drench the hair. You want to get the hair damp. I do like this product because it does help with manageability and also with finger detangling, okay? This product is like my first run through where I'm going to be finger detangling the hair. As you all can see, this clip is actually in real time. I am not speeding it up because I want you all to see like how this process does require just a little bit of time, and you do want to be gentle with your hair, okay? These are your hair strands, not someone else's hair, not any hair extensions, so you want to be as gentle as possible. And if your hair was as dry as mine was, you definitely want to be as gentle as possible. I am rolling it around into a bantu knot, and I am going to repeat this process on the other sections, but an up close and personal, okay? Look at all this product buildup as well as dandruff. It's all mixed together and it's just very dry. So I am really showing you all how nasty and gunky my hair was, but this spray really it actually put moisture into my hair, and it probably reactivated some of those products that was actually already up there, but it really does a good job of prepping your hair before you actually go in for a thorough shampoo. Once you have finished all 4 sections, go on ahead and get happy, okay? Because you get a 10-minute break. You want this product to sit on your hair for 10 minutes before applying the next product. Now, this product is my favorite. It is the repair and conditioning treatment. It's basically like a bond treatment to really like repair the bonds in your hair as well. I like this one because the consistency is kind of like a milky type consistency, but it really defines my curls. So I am definitely going to split those sections up, and I am going to apply this product to all of my hair strands. Now the instructions for this product actually says that you want to saturate the hair, okay? So saturate pretty much means like almost like how dripping wet your hair is for a wash and go, but not quite, okay? Basically just making sure that your hair strands has this product in it, and you can tell because your curls will start to pop and you will see curl definition. If you all can look at the section that I have clipped away at the bottom, you can tell that my ends are curly. That means that you have saturated the hair enough. So don't be afraid to use a lot of product or apply additional water to your hair to make sure that it is saturated. This second product application process should go by just a little bit smoother because you have done most of the hard work with detangling. Now you're just trying to make sure that the product is distributed evenly throughout the hair. Here's what my hair looks like when both products are applied to one another. I am actually going back with a little bit just to hit my temple areas, okay? Those are my weakest spots in my hair, especially the center as well, so I try to give them just a little extra TLC, okay? Here's what my hair is looking like, and we're gonna do this one for 10 minutes as well. So I followed up with the OLAPLEX shampoo, and this is my hair without any conditioner in it. My curls are defined, my curls are springy, and it is looking like it is ready for me to condition it as well as style it. As always, I hope you all enjoyed the video and found it useful, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya!